In this video, let's see how to use a recent popular post widget of a classic add-on plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on this widgets options and search for the recent popular widgets. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And here you can see extra class. Enter your class name for customizing this widget. And the next part is query. Here you can choose number of posts you want to display. Let's enter 5. And the next option is author. Here you can choose the author name. And the next one is categories. Here you can choose the categories you want to display. And the next option is exclude categories. Here you can choose the category you don't want to display. And the next one is tags. Choose your preferred tags here. And the next one is include post. Here you can choose your preferred post. And the next one is exclude post. Here you can choose the post you don't want to display. And the next one is order. Here you can choose from ascending or descending. And the next part is layouts. Here you can choose your preferred alignment. And the next one is accept length. Here you can enter the number of length of the description. And the next one is post layout. You can choose it from the default, classic, modern, or classic, pro, and list. Let's choose modern now. And the next option is post columns. Choose your preferred column here. And here you can change your read more text. And the next option is post variation. Here you can choose light or dark. And here you can see post items. You can enable unneeded items to the enabled area by drag and drop. Also, you can disable unwanted items to the disabled area. And here you can change this alignment of these items. And the next option is post overlay items option. Here you can enable or disable it. And here you can choose your preferred item for the overlay. And the next one is post top meta. Choose your preferred item for the post top meta. And next one is post bottom meta. Here you can choose the items for left and right. Also, you can disable unwanted items to the disabled area. And the next part is title. Here you can change the title tag size. And the next part is image. Here you can choose your preferred image resolution. And the next part is links. Here you can enable or disable the target blank and no follow for image, title, and read more links. Let's moving on to the style area. And here you can choose your preferred auto margin for the widget. And this is for outer padding. Enter your preferred value here. And the next one is toggle title styles. Here you can change the typography for the toggle title. And here you can change the color for the toggle title. Also, you can change it in the inactive color too. And the next one is toggle title margin. Here you can enter preferred outer space value for this toggle title. The next part is post grid. Here you can change the color for this grid. And here you can change the background color. And here you can enable or disable the box shadow. Also, you can change the box shadow style. Also, you can change it in the hover too. And this is the padding. Here you can enter preferred inner space value for this grid. Let's change it in the hover. The next part is title. And here you can change the title transform like capitalized, uppercase, or lowercase. And the next one is color. Here you can change the title color. And here you can change the title size. And the next one is margin. Here you can enter outer space value for this title. Let's give 10 pixels. And the next one is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for the title. Next one is spacing. Here you can adjust bottom space of the title. And this is the typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the title. Other export is links, and here you can change color for default post links. Also you can change it in the overview too. If you don't want, you can simply remove it here. And the next option is top meta links color. You can choose your preferred color here. Also you can change color for overview, and here you can change color for the bottom meta links. Also you can change it in the overview too. And this is for overlay color links. Also you can change it in the hover too. And the next part is image. Here you can choose the image style like square, rounded or circled. Let's choose rounded. And here you can enable or disable the image resize option. Also you can adjust as per your requirement. And the next option is image spacing. Here you can change image border space. And the next one is background color. Choose a preferred color for the image here. And here you can change inner space value for the image. Let's give 0 pixels. And next one is border type. Here you can choose preferred type for the border. And next part is read more button. Here you can change text shadow style of the button. And the next one is transform. Here you can choose from capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And here you can change button color for normal and the overview. Also you can change the background color for the button too. And next option is border type. Here you can choose the preferred border type. Also you can set border radius value here. And here you can change box shadow style for this button. And this is the padding. Here you can enter inner space value for the button here. And this is the typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the button text. The next part is meta. Here you can change top meta font family and font style. And here you can adjust the bottom space of the top meta. And the next one is bottom meta. Choose your font family and font style for bottom meta here. Also you can adjust bottom space of the bottom meta here. And the next part is content. Here you can change color for the content. Also you can change font family and font style of the content. And here you can change the bottom space of the content. Also you can change all this in the overview too. The next part is overlay. Here you can change font family and font style of the overlay text. And the next one is padding. Here you can enter inner space value of the overlay text. Let's give 10 pixels. And this is the position top. Here you can adjust the top position of your overlay text. And here you can adjust left position of your overlay text. And this is the background color for overlay. You can change it in the normal and overview too. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.